Hey everybody, it's Robbie from DIY Auto and Cycle. So, the split hood challenge is over. Which one of these two products worked? So, panning out here, on the driver's side, we used the Chemical Guys Blacklight. And on the passenger side, we used the Perfecta SiO2. So, which actually won? So the car hasn't been washed, and you can see from as I pan back and forth, I'll go right into the middle here because that was the center line. The Blacklight does seem to be a bit darker in depth than the Perfecta, but which actually repelled dirt more? So I'm going to come along to the quarter panel. And by the way, that is the rim that I treated in my first video. Still looking pretty clean. And this is what we're getting on the side front quarter panel that was treated with the Chemical Guys Blacklight. There's a lot more dirt seeming to be grabbing onto the quarter panel. Now, going over again, the hood looking nice and clean. So hood wise, pretty much they were the same. The only thing I did notice on the hood was the water beading up. So on the Perfecta side, it was tiny little beads that were rolling off. On the Blacklight side, it would just glob in giant beads of water, like they were big, about the size of a loonie. And they didn't move. They really didn't fall off until they got too big, and then they just gravity pulled them off. So back to the Perfecta side. Looking at it, I would say there's less dirt on this side because it really stops right about there. Now, I've had a lot of people look at it, so it's just not my opinion. And they're saying, yeah, there's more dirt on the Blacklight quarter panel than there is on the Perfecta quarter panel. But the hoods, pretty much equal for the amount of dirt, but the water beading was better on the Perfecta side. So who won? By hands down, Perfecta.